What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following us for some time now, you'll know that we have recently just put in our order for our 2021 C8 Corvette, and I'm in the middle of trying to sell my 2016 C7 Stingray Corvette. So like I said, if you've been watching us, you've probably seen the previous video where we went to the Chevy dealership to see what they would offer us for this car. We got an offer at $37,000. That was for an as-is condition minus the aftermarket wheels. They wanted me to put the factory ones back on, which I was perfectly fine with because I can keep these now. So today we're actually going to be taking the car to CarMax just so we can get a comparable between two separate places. We're not going to take the first offer given to us. So today I'm going to switch the aftermarket Vertini forged wheels back for the factory wheels, and then take it on over to CarMax and see what they're gonna offer for us. So stick around, enjoy the video. Let's see how bad I'm gonna be fucked on this offer. All right, so got the old factory wheels all loaded up into the back of the Rebel. There they are, still in perfect condition. I only used them for maybe 4 months. The aftermarket ones have been on there the entire time. So gotta drive the Rebel over there now, get the aftermarket wheels taken off and the factory ones put on. We got the Rebel in front of us right now. I don't think I've ever seen anyone actually drive the Rebel as I'm next to them, so it's kind of weird to see it actually, you know, out moving around. All right, so as you can see, we got the aftermarket Vertini forged wheels off, and we got the stock wheels back on there. It's weird. I really don't remember how this car looked with these wheels on there. Yeah, I mean, they're pretty cool, I guess. It's not my style. I prefer, you know, I would have preferred if these were black from the factory, but I had full intention of switching them out to aftermarket wheels anyway. So yeah, I guess if anyone's watching this, if you're in South Florida and you're looking for wheels for your C7, hit me up. 1,500 bucks, they're yours. But yep, all right, so gonna continue on with the rest of today. I just had to run home real quick to grab some shit, so we're gonna go over to CarMax and get this thing appraised. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Alrighty guys, so we're here at CarMax. Let me see, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see the building over there, but yeah, let's go ahead, head on in there, and we can get, see, there you go.
48 hours later.
All right, so we're back in here. I didn't film anything inside there. I didn't really want to be awkward, and then especially with this whole COVID-19 thing, wearing face masks, all that. I just, you know, fuck it, I didn't record it. So I got my appraisal right here. There you go. See there, shark gray, 9,700 miles, all the features, Boynton Beach, Florida, appraisal offer 40 grand. So right there, sell your car with us today. CarMax, I'm trying to just, you know, cover my address up here. So yeah, legit offer from CarMax, $3,000 more than what Chevy was offering. Again, that is for a as-is vehicle, so with the lip kit on. Had this listed private party just to see what kind of feedback I'd get. I had it listed at 42, and I had a lot of people offering me, you know, 41, 40. So to get 40, just said and done with it, I might have to go with this. But again, like I said, I'm gonna contact the dealer, the sales guy I'm working with, see if Chevy wants to pay me 40. But if not, I'm gonna go CarMax. Alrighty, so it's been about a week now from that last clip you just saw of me at CarMax, and I might as well just show you this. Empty garage. Where's the car? This is all that's left of it. Just the aftermarket Vertini forged wheels and stock dash. So yeah, obviously guys, got rid of the car. So my whole plan was basically just to more or less use that estimate as the CarMax one, I mean, as a leverage with going back to the dealership. I really wanted to just try and do the whole deal there. So I went over to the dealership. I was driving along. I saw that there was a used C7 on the lot. So I decided to go check out, see what they were asking for it. And it was a 2014 2LT Z51. So same car as me, but it was a 2014, mine was a 2016. It was an automatic, mine was a manual, and that one had 39,000 miles, and mine had 9,000 miles. And they were actually asking basically 44,000 for it. And I'm gonna just show you here, because I actually have my laptop here and I have the inventory pulled up so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So you can see right here, see that? Pre-owned 2014 Corvette Stingray 2LT Z51. 43,998. So 44 grand. So as soon as I saw that, I basically pulled the guy who originally gave me the estimate and was like, hey, look, my car, it has 30,000 miles less than this one. It has, it's 2 years newer. You're getting all the ground effects on it. It's a manual. It has a better interior than that car. It's gonna be more desirable. Hey, I want more money. I want 44 for it. We negotiated back and forth for a bit and we decided on 42,000. 42 I thought was fair. That was actually what I was asking for private sale. So I ended up getting 42 from the dealer. And what they're also gonna do is, if my C8 comes in within 6 months, I can use the car that I sold to them as a trade-in. So I can save, it's roughly about $2,800 on taxes that I would save. But if not, you know, it is what it is. I don't get the tax credit. So they're giving me a 6-month window for the taxes. I thought it was kind of cool. So that is, if my order actually comes in, which I don't think it's gonna come in within 6 months, or if some other person decides they don't want their car, I could jump in, take that one, you know, depending on where I'm at the list. So you see that it's real. Look what's right below it. 2016 Corvette Z51. And they're asking basically 48,000 for it. So they're trying to get basically 6 grand more than what they gave me. But you can see there, 9,700 miles. Obviously that's my car. Kind of weird seeing it on there, but yeah, you know, if any of y'all are looking to buy a C7 that has a full APR carbon ground effects on it, you know, go for it. This car is in pretty good shape. It would definitely be a nice little upgrade for someone who has a C6 or something looking to jump into a pretty affordable C7. Oh, also, I don't even have my what's it called, my fucking Rebel here. It's at the dealership dealing with those geniuses over there in the service department. I'm not even gonna get into it in this video. Basically, long story short, there being some fuckheads over in the service department, basically not trying to warranty something that they should be fucking warrantying, but whatever, I'm not gonna get into it. Over here, if you're in South Florida, if you're looking for some aftermarket wheels for your C7, Vertini forged RF 1.1s. You can see the specs over here. 19 by 9, 20 by 11. Right there. So, wheels for sale, 1,500 bucks if you want that. If you want this dash, I don't know, give me 200 bucks for it. So, there it is, guys. The C7 is officially gone. Traded into the dealership where I ordered my C8. So, playing the waiting game now. Hopefully it doesn't take, 9 to 12 months like they're telling me. Be a really cool birthday and Christmas present if it shows up in December. So yeah, fingers crossed. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, something I'd appreciate. And I'll see you guys later.